Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. In today's episode, I'm going to create this neutral, chic makeup look which is going to go with any outfit you decide to wear. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Please let us know in the comment section below. And because you love us and our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. Join the MyGlamm Insider XO program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box below. And for more such content, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.